Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the particular time you're watching this video. I still remain your humble teacher, Patrick. So today, I want to talk and teach about 3 easy ways teachers can build trust with educational content online. Just three. With these 3 ways, if you're able to use it very well, you see yourself skyrocketing. Okay, so now this topic teaches teachers how to use their online content to make students, parents, and other teachers see them. That is one thing, just know that word. See them as knowledgeable, reliable, and trustworthy educators. So, what are the things you need to note? Trustworthy, reliable, knowledgeable. So those things are the things that are ready to see in that particular teacher who is creating what? Content. Reliable, knowledgeable, trustworthy. Okay? Now, in simple terms, it also means teach valuable things. Now, these valuable things means that you are going to share useful lessons, tips, and solution for your audience. 2, be consistent. You have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. So the consistency goes like this. Keep posting helpful educational content regularly. So consistency means regularly. You have to post regularly. Be genuine and helpful. So this aspect means answer questions, share your experiences, and help your audience solve problem. Yeah, you have to help them solve problem. That is the reason you are creating content. You're not creating content to be smiling. You are creating content to help your audience understand a particular problem easily without stress. So depending on the content you are creating or depending on the niche category you are, okay? So now, the 3 ways teachers can build this trust, I want to list them out, are: 1, share useful educational content regularly. Share useful educational content regularly. So that regularly means that you have to be what? Consistent in what you are sharing for your audience. It depends on the platform you are using. If you are using Facebook, you have to share regularly. If you are using WhatsApp, you have to upload on your status regularly. If you are using Instagram, you have to upload videos regularly. If you are using Trend, you have to upload regularly. If you are using LinkedIn, you have to upload regularly. So now let me explain that part. Teach simple lessons, exam tips, study techniques, and practical solution. So this one is for those who are creating educational content. Like what I said, I'm specifically talking about educational content. Why? Because I am teacher Patrick, so I teach. So now, when you create those contents, you have to share them regularly. Success story. People that have a very low IQ on a particular subject, how they move from being a low IQ to an high IQ. How student went from being a dollar into a what? Into a knowledgeable person or into a smart person. So you share those success story on your platform that you thought this person doesn't know anything before. Now this person is very, very okay. Okay? Now you share those things, you share educational content, you share success story, you share academic achievement of people also. Yes, you share it so that your audience keeps seeing those things. And in the long run, you see most of them making contact. Please, how can I improve on this particular subject? Please, can you be my mentor? Can you guide me? That is it. And from there, you start collecting your own pay from it. So that is it. So the next one, show your knowledge and teaching experience. Yes, show your knowledge and teaching experience is a must. So you can't just be creating only those content also. You have to show them, this is my teaching experience. This is where I started from. I started from a primary school teacher to a secondary school teacher to a lecturer. Or this is how you started. You started teaching when they were paying you 5,000 naira. You move over to 10,000 naira with pictures, evidence of the things that you have done. Okay, so those knowledge you share to them, those knowledge are what your audience will resonate with you. Okay, now, one, share classroom experience. All the experience in the classroom, you can share it. The things that you experience on a daily basis, your lesson notes, your diary, class register, how you talk to students, you share it also. Student success stories, I've talked about that one. Teaching method, which teaching method you apply that students are very, very okay with, you can share those ones. And people are ready to learn. Okay, I like this guy's teaching method. It's making sense. Let me apply it. And once they apply it, they find out it's working. They come back to you again to give them more idea on that teaching method. Next one, real result. The result of everything that you do. You can share it again online. That is also a content you are creating. So far, you are in the educational line. Third one, which is the last one, engage and help your audience. Engage and help your audience. Engage your audience. If they comment, engage them. If they comment, engage. Whether it's positive or negative. If it's the negative part that you don't like, you can enlighten them about it. If it's a positive one, that is already fine. That is already a bonus to you. So as you are engaging, answer questions, respond to comments, explain difficult topics, and genuinely help students and fellow teachers. So help your students and fellow what? Teachers. Now, how do you help them? You help them by creating more content, by sharing more content. And most of them will come for you for help. Some people can put the price tag to that help, depending on what you want to offer to that particular person. So some can put a price tag to that help. Okay, so with these three easy ways teachers can build trust online. Let me recap again. Share useful educational content regularly. Show your knowledge and teaching experience. 2, 3, engage and help your audience. Answer questions. So with this, I'm able to give you an idea why or easy way teachers can build trust online.